Here's how to use NAYELLE's new exfoliant, oatmeal bamboo berry enzymatic exfoliant. It is a lovely, lovely product. It comes in a dry powder, and simply after washing your face, leave your face lightly damp. Then sprinkle a couple sprinkles, which is about 1/4 teaspoon, into your hand, and add a few drops of water, and then proceed to wash your face, scrub your face in circular motions, doing a little extra around your T-zone, and also go for your lips because it just really sets it up nicely. It takes away any chappedness and stuff. So I do my lips, neck, décolleté, and tops of hands because then it really makes them baby soft. So it's as quick as that. Rinse it off and then proceed with your, I'll rinse it off real quick. Pat dry. And then proceed with the night routine or the morning routine. But just remember, use your serums, then the moisturizer, and then the glow face oil. You want to use the lightest to the heaviest. Now, take note of how baby soft your skin feels. And I think you're going to love this product. It is truly the best exfoliant I've ever used. The second option I wanted to point out is if you want to get a little deeper pore cleanse, you can add a little sprinkle to the cleanser and wash your face as I just did. And the third option is to take about a tablespoon of exfoliant and leave it on your face for 5 minutes so the enzymatic property can take place, and it really helps to remove the old skin cells, and it allows your face to really get exfoliated, and then your products are more easily absorbed. So it is the perfect time to get exfoliating, and I hope you try NAYELLE's because I think it's the best one. Take care, everybody, and hope you have a beautiful day.